Hey everybody, this is Don Gulling at Vertex Consulting. I wanted to show you one of my favorite productivity features for Mitel My Voice Connect on-site, and that's the Chrome extension, the Chrome dialer plugin. I'm going to walk you through how to set that up. It's super easy, and then how to use it. So first off, you're just going to go to a Google search and type in the Mitel Connect web dialer, right? It's going to find this chrome.google.com. Click that, and you'll see here it's a Mitel Connect web dialer Chrome extension. Now I've already installed it, so for me it shows up here at the top. You can kind of see this Mitel Connect web dialer. All right. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to configure it. So you'll click this button. There's a settings link. In here, this is going to be pre-populated for you, but trunk access code, that's the number you have to press to get out. 9 is typical. It's 90% of people. Sometimes I'll have an 8. Local prefix is usually 1. You'll leave that the same. International, if you're in the US, is 011. Leave that the same. Country code is 1. Leave that the same. Now this one will be blank. It won't be filled in. You'll need to fill it in, and I'm going to show you where to get that. So you'll go to your Connect client, and at the top, you choose the settings. Once you go in there, you're going to see this connection connected to, and this is the fully qualified domain name of your director server. That's mine, cdirector.vertex.com. So I take that and I paste it right in here. That's my Mitel server. Once you do that, you save it. And a couple of things. Under site access, I use it on all sites, and then make sure it's turned on, and that's basically it. It's configured. Now when I go to Google, let's say I type in Vertex Ocala, right here you'll see it's rendered that phone number as a dialable number, and it says Mitel web dialer. I'm going to click that, and you'll see it'll go off hook. And it's dialed my office right here for me. You can hear the auto attendant in the background. So that in a nutshell is how to configure a really cool productivity app. It's free. It's called the Chrome extension for Mitel My Voice Connect OnSite. And if you have any questions about how to use it, feel free to contact us here at Vertex Consulting. We'll be glad to help. Have a great day.